Yeah.
It's Christmas there.
You will gather all your gift here and then picture first.
Wow, that's all yours?
Wow. Yeah, okay na.
Parang 70% yun ang nasa puno ah.
Oh, 70% parang yung bag. Stop. No. Lahat lang to. Lahat lang to. Lagyan mo doon. That is from Mamo and Papu, ha? Oh, from Mamo and Papu.
May picture ka. Sit there.
Sit there. O sige, bibidyohan na yung open.
Open them. You ano, when you open, you go like this. You read who's it from. Okay, action.
Paano yung akin walang pangalan?
Sa akin yung walang mga pangalan eh.
Who's that from?
Tita Yuki.
Tita Ruthie. Okay, open it. Repeat apart.
Tear it up.
Sige. Destroy the paper.
Hata.
Ha?
Hata.
Sige.
Hold it.
Yan. Release the dark side of the force. Gimme. Basta, look for weak points. That's how you survive in life, and
Daddy's here, ah.
Say Merry Christmas to Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
Tiga. Ayan. Oh.
Oh no. Wow.
Sige, rip it apart.
Open.
Reaction. What is it?
What will you say? Thank you to Tita Ruthie.
Sige, don't open that muna. You open the,
You open the others. Yeah.
There's no name. Just open it. Yeah.
What's that? Let me see.
Where is it? Oh. Books.
Bible stories, Luna.
Oh, you read. What's that?
Read.
La.
Don't remove any more.
That from Papu and Mamo also.
I'll help you.
They didn't write because they don't have a pen.
Yeah, we don't have a pen.
Uy!
Whoa, Faber-Castell.
Wow, nice.
Very good to.
I had that before.
Yeah, meron siyang
That
ganyan
one
eh.
pa.
I already had.
Ito.
I already had that.
Yeah, that from Mamo and Papu also.
Sige. Destroy the paper.
Destroy.
What is that?
Wow.
Uy!
Whoa.
A giant egg. Oh, wait. Do you wanna open it, ha?
Oh, you see,
Ikaw,
you took it out, you pressed it.
itakin mo. Ikaw sila, ikaw. Nice.
Wow, what's inside?
What?
Whoa.
Whoa, what is it?
This one, we take this somewhere else. Because I think it's
Who's that from?
Chad.
Chad?
From Chad?
Do you know who Chad is?
No.
Do you wanna see Chad? You will meet him soon.
Papu, tulungan mo, Papu.
Tiga.
Ito pa.
Take it.
What is it?
Oh. Wala sa chocolate.
Maybe it's chocolate. I saw soap. Bath soap.
Uy, human nature.
It's for kids. Ito. Kay Nana Wanda.
Oh, ay galing ka Wanda yan?
Look at it.
Green.
So big.
Ay, wait. Sayang yung supot.
Kaya.
Bring it out.
Oh.
Uy.
Oh, that's nice. Tagalin mo lang yung tape sa taas. Oh, this is good, Luna. It's for you to practice your writing.
I think
Kay
that's a
nanay,
crayon.
kay nanay, Wanda pa na itong galing.
This is good, bebe.
Dami na nakasing gano'n.
From Tita Adi. Ay, kopya. Sige. Good.
Ah, from Tita Adi.
Okay, we'll open it.
I think I helped pick that.
Yeah, and you closed it so much. I cannot open it.
Si Adi nag-wrap niyan.
What is it? Ooh, what's that?
Art therapy.
How do you open it?
Kakalma ka ba niyan?
How do you open it?
It's a painting kit, ah. We will paint that.
Ayun ba yung numbers?
Ah, may number.
That's the number.
Yes. Oh, sige, you start with that. It's
Puro pang-art. Pang-art saka ano, pang-writing.
oh.
Wait.
So gagalit na si Luna. Ano yan? Wala nang laruan dito. Puro na lang ano.
Ang dami niyang toys eh.
What is this?
It's
What's this?
surprise.
What's this?
It's to wipe the drawing.
And what's this?
To wipe the drawing. Pang-art lang.
Pagka natutulog na kami.
It's from mommy and daddy as well. Nagkakakwento kasi eh.
Can you tell me the story of your family?
Uy! Careful!
Wow!
What is that?
It's a piggy bank.
Oh, you save money, ha? Para we have money to, ano,
How does it work? How do you
See?
How do you
Ito.
even? How do you
Ah,
open it?
you rotate the thing.
save money, baby, ha? So that when you have money, when you go to Disneyland.
Ito pa.
Tikman na, basahin niyo muna yan, baka masira yung...
Pero wala namang mechanism sa loob eh. There's no mechanism inside.
There's no that. There's no battery.
Yes. But there's no mechanism inside. So it's
Okay.
a very normal piggy bank.
Akala ko lalagyan pa yan ng code eh.
Sige. Wow!
Uy! Who's that?
It's a night light. Hold on, where's the...
It's over here.
Here. Pero kailangan i-charge. Pero charge naman na to.
It's okay.
Can use that in our
Kailangan yung church. Nasaan ang power line niya?
Basta
You have so many gifts!
Ano? Ay, ano naman.
What's that?
Pang-art ulit. From mommy and daddy again. Daming bagti.
What this would be?
It's to,
Where's that?
Pang clean ng ano.
yes, to clean the brushes.
Pang clean ng brush, Luna. So
Ay, baliktad.
you don't have to be ano.
Messy. There.
It cleans the brush.
Pero not now, ha? See?
And I think.
But I think green yung in-order ko kasi out of stock. Pero may pink na dumating.
Ayun, no, may green.
Green nga yung in-order ko kasi out of stock yung pink. Later. O, you open muna yung gift ni Tito. The big one. Go to the big one. Sige.
Ulitin mo yung sinabi mo.
How am I gonna open it if it's big?
Boom! Did you just... Wait. How nga ba?
First, the gunting.
Wait. You pull this na lang, Luna. Pull that...
The tape?
Oo, the tape. Uy! Sige pa. Wait! It's sticking to my... Nabuksan ba? Parang hindi. Hindi pala, Luna. Get scissors.
Then I see it again.
Ayan, Papa will help you. Because I need to film. I-pull out mo na lahat para ano.
Yeah, right.
Whoa.
Why are you covering your ears? It's not gonna explode.
Will it explode, Luna?
We got a big problem. There's no front wheel.
Oh no!
Ah, there it is.
Oh,
Teka, huwag mo ilagay sa ulo mo.
not now though.
Later pa, next week na lang.
Oh, next week.
Kasi isi-set up pa yung ano eh, yung mga kable.
What color is it? Hello.
Up, you sit down, sit down.
Wag, mahal yan.
Ito ba dito?
Tsaka, meron ka bang parang spacer? Siguro mga isang 1 centimeter.
Nakita mo ba yung mga
Nasa taas,
tornilyo?
nasa taas.
Ha?
Nasa taas.
Eh, yun ang kailangan.
Luna!
What is it?
Teka, hindi ko nakakuha yung facial expression.
Wow, what's that?
Open it. Huwag mo nga alugin, Luna.
What is it? Nintendo?
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
Yes.
What if it's just a box, Luna?
You wanna open inside?
Sige, open it na.
Why are you putting it now?
Ito ba yung galing kay Ate Wanda?
Kailangan ng space dito eh. Sa gitna. Kasi pagka, kulang. Anyway.
Ito yung galing
Whoa! Luna.
Up.
Para tong 1996 na video pero hindi sa PlayStation.
What are you, how many
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. And what's this? What? This one.
May Pokemon Unite ka?
No, I just remember Mommy having Pokemon Unite.
I think you could play with Tita Meg niyan ah.
Kutsara.
Uy, Pokemon!
My favorite Pikachu.
Your Pikachu ka agad?
Si Luna, madaling disiplinahin. Pag school days, alam niya na hindi bisikleta kay tito niya.
Yo.
Umangal, maliit na yung yung bike niya.
What did you get, Luna?
Sit down with Tito.
What did you get?
I got a new power.
What's the new power?
Okay.
That's a skill pag ano or attack is
Dad.
wait Luna, I will open my gifts, okay? Film me.
Dad.
Ay, naglaro ng Nintendo Switch, sponsored by Nintendo. It's my favorite medical professional.
I hold it, Dada.
Ano yan?
Sapatos.
Mommy, how do I exit?
Uy,
Mukhang malaki.
7 yan. Malaki na naman.
7 yan. Kung-
GPT ko yan. Sabi ko, kung ang tatay ko nasusuot yung 40, size 40 ko na women's shoes.
Kasya yan sa'yo.
Ano yung size niya?
I don't know.
You have to close it kasi it will be lesser na yan.
Tama-tama yun. May amoy. Pwede.
Paano pag may medyas?
may space pa ba?
Oo.
Kasi magme-medyas ka na. Oh,
I think nakakahiya naman.
nag-smudge yung ano.
Okay lang yan.
Ano ba to?
Wala akong may bigay sa inyo. Nakakahiya naman sa inyo.
No. Pa-sure ka ha, pag nag-medyas ka, hindi yan ano ha. Sige nga, takbo ka nga sa baba.
Hindi naman ang nagme-medyas eh.
Hoy!
Lalagyan ng travel kit.
Oo, pag naglalakwatsa ka.
Oo nga.
Imbis na dala mo yung bag mo sa CR, ganyan lang.
Thank you. Wala akong maibibigay sa inyo. Wala akong trabaho.
Nagaano yata yung gumaganon eh.
Buksan mo yung zipper.
Hindi, ganyan lang. Tapos may zipper lang dito. Lalagyan mo dito lang ng gamit mo. Para pagka nag-travel ako.
May ganyan pero pink eh, tas inangkin ko yan. Anyway,
Ay, thank you! Ay, Epic Games. Sige, I'll create the Epic Games, ha? May Epic Games ba? Ay!
wait Luna, don't ride it yet because it's not built. Ano nga ba yan?
I'll fix it tomorrow.
Oo.
Foot cream and cozy socks. Wait, ano to? Para mas madali akong makatulog.
Bakit ka nandito, Charlie? Wala kang gift.
Kasi ano to eh.
Saan yung-
Alam ni Kuyang lagi.
Asan yung bagnet mo?
Ay! Tara.
Ayun. Oh, buksan mo.
What's
Ay,
this?
kumain ka. Kaya lang walang beer.
Actually, yung sarap niya. Tikpan namin yan.
Here is your gift. All of them. This one.
Ito pa, isa.
Okay din ba yung bagnet? Wow! Nice!
But it doesn't turn, ha? It doesn't turn.
Sana yung...
Ay, ano? Don't turn it.
Nakasabi ko lang. Nakasabi lang eh. Ginanon agad. Give me.
Oh, what is this?
Something to eat.
Taste that. Taste it! Tikman mo, ma. Ay, bakit may ano sa loob?
O, tapos pag na-high blood ako, sabihin nyo, kasi kumain ako ng bagnet. Pero kayo naman nag-o-offer sa akin, hindi.
Okay.
Sarap!
Ang laki pala.
Pati pusa gusto, oh.
Uy, kayong dalawa.
Gustong gusto ni Seta yung ano, bagnet. Lalo mo din.
Is it scary, Luna?
Tama nyo. Ano ko? Mag-away pa kayo.
Nandito na silang lahat.
Oh my God.
Wait, wait.
Luna. Luna. Look at this. Ay. I also have a painting.
Yung 3D boyfriend ko. Oh, salamat.
Ang sabi ni Luna, Mami, ama mo, Mami, have a boyfriend. Ha?
Ay, matagagan yun.
How do I exit?
So for you to play, you press? You press. May kumain.
Draw a smiley face. Sabi ko, smiley face, not a heart. Smiley face. Very good. What about a cat? A red cat. Oh, very good.
Para presentable daw siya.
Wow!
Kanya eh, nabarato yung ilong.
There's lumpia. Look. You know.
Kasi tapos na din ang Christmas party nila. Sabi ko, ay nakakapit na mag-uumpisa. Sila
ano, dito sila dito. Doon din lang, medyo masama.
Hold on, ha?
Hold, baby. Dali mo tayo doon, ha? Go. Okay, tayo. Yan. Bagay, tricycle driver si tatay. Inenta yung tricycle.
May konti naman siya. Saan nga susi mo?
Ang ganda naman. Dapat ganyan. Sabi mo kay Joey, bilangin. Dula lang ganyan. Pwede sa school na. Oo, pwede sa school. You like that one, Bibi? Mami,
Gusto mo? Yan. Oh, you see?
Luna, let's eat first before you paint. Why? You're doing great.